our brothers and sisters from Somalia will be able to obtain their visas at the airport when they arrive. So no more referral visas. We go back and we want to encourage our people to do business. We want to encourage our people to come and visit their friends and family. That is what is important, and we don't want any obstacles to that partnership. I think secondly, we have also discussed the issues about flights from Mogadishu into Nairobi, because now apparently they're going through Wajir. And we have agreed that within a week, the necessary authorities should put in place that which is necessary to ensure that we now have direct flights once again from Mogadishu to Nairobi. On all the other issues, we have agreed, as brothers will do, we will sit and continue our discussions, and we find solutions that are beneficial to both our countries, to both our peoples, and that will encourage and develop and grow the prosperity of our people and the brotherhood that should exist amongst neighbors. So with those few remarks, my brother, once again, thank you for